Hello friends, let's quickly analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So this analysis just for educational purpose which shares the support and resistance levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for 29 June. We do not endorse anyone to take trade. If at all you are interested, please consult your financial advisor prior to taking trades as it involves financial risk. So today we are going to cover Nifty, Bank Nifty monthly trend, that is also called as long term, Nifty, Bank Nifty weekly trend, Nifty, Bank Nifty daily trend, Nifty, Bank Nifty hourly basis for intraday support and resistance levels in different time frames. So Nifty monthly, if we say, then overall trend is positive as of now. So Nifty monthly has resistance of 10,554. Support is at 10,290. Support 2 is at 9910. Support 3 is at 9650. If we talk about weekly trend, then it is also a positive trend. Resistance is at 10,535. Second resistance is at 10,715 and third resistance is at 10,835. Support levels are 10,115, 9863 and 9641. If we talk about daily, then resistance is again at 10,545. Resistance 2 is at 10,712. Support 1 is at 10,190. Support 2 is at 10,007. Support 3 is at 9915. On intraday basis, resistance 1 is at 10,442, resistance 2 is at 10,502, resistance 3 is at 10,585, support is at 10,280, 10,155, and 10,058. Don't go with the zero, there is an additional zero in that. Bank Nifty hourly resistance are 21811, 22182, and 22325. Hourly support is at 21,398, 21,085, and 20,786. Daily resistance is at 22,125. Once it crosses this, then we can provide a new target for this. Daily support is at 21,206, and next level of support is at 20,594. Weekly resistance is almost at 24,526. Once it clears in a week's time frame, uh, 24,000, then we would be able to provide new targets for that. Weekly support is at 20,504 and next support is at 19,890. Monthly resistance is at 25,106 as of now, and monthly support is at 19,456. These were some of the trades which we had shared in the last series, which expired on this Thursday. So M&M we had started giving buy call at 516, 417 for a target of 507, which was a completion. Most of the targets were accomplished. Cipla we had started giving here on 613 for 670. Tata Consumers from 365 to 393. Balkishan was from 1077 to 1250. ACC from 1240 to 1297. Lupin 851 to 935. Grasim 583 to 640. Infi 702 to 785 was the initial target, but somehow we have to change it to 723 and most of the positions were booked. And for that we had shared few screenshots with you guys as well. India Bull Housing was given at 120 for 174 210 target. Larsen was given at around 900 for 960 985 targets. McDowell was given at 582 for 635 target. Indigo was given around somewhere around 935 to 965 in between for a target of 1200 plus. Muthoot Finance similarly it was provided at 900. for 1200 plus target. Mindtree was given at 989 for 947. Berger Paint was given multiple times from 492 to 512 range for a target of 545, 550. Petronet was given at 259 for a target of 269. HCL Tech was given at 570 for a target of 590. Bandhan Bank was given at 270 for a target of 348. DLF was given for 146 for a target of 170. Hero Moto was given at 2300 for a target of 2550. Jubilant Food 1656 for 1763. But most of the guys did not stay for longer targets. They had taken 10, 20, 30 rupees, whatever they wish, and they exited. Torrent Power was given at 321 to 323 levels for a target of 335, but it was not able to maintain 330 levels. So MGL was given at 1049 for a target of 1105. Axis Bank was given at 419 for a target of 435. It is an ongoing trade, so we expect Axis Bank to touch around 456, 485 levels pretty soon. Tata Steel was given at 315 for a target of 345. Tata Chemical was given at 301 for a target of 345. It did not perform well. It was not able to maintain 323 for a longer period. So there was so somehow we have to exit from that. And there are more trades like Canara Bank was given at 102 for a target of 115. It covered 117 in Hindustan Unilever. We hit a stop loss, but some guys maintain it and they took some good profit in that as well. In Pidilite, we hit a stop loss, but still there were some smart guys who had booked not very big, but around small profit in that. So that's it for the days, guys. If you like it, if you want to subscribe it, please subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.